In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a dot above a number in Microsoft Word using the equation editor. If you've ever needed to show a repeating decimal or use standard mathematical notation, like an overdot, Word has a built-in professional way to do it. This method is ideal for numbers and gives you clean, publication-ready results without relying on awkward workarounds. First, go to the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps tools for adding objects such as pictures, symbols, and, in our case, equations. Using the Insert tab ensures the formatting you apply is mathematically correct and will stay consistent even if you change fonts or styles later. Next, click Equation on the far right. When you select it, Word creates a new equation box in your document and opens the equation tools so you can build math notation the proper way. Don't worry if the text looks slightly different from your normal paragraph font. Equations use a math-friendly font to keep everything aligned and readable. Now, in the new equation box, click the Accent drop-down. You'll see several accent types that can sit above characters. Find the dot section and choose the single dot option. This is the classic overdot accent that's used for things like repeating decimals or certain calculus and physics notations. Selecting it creates a placeholder under the dot, so you can decide exactly what the dot should sit above. Finally, type the number you want the dot above. Click into the placeholder box and enter your digit. The dot stays perfectly centered over the character you type. If you're showing a repeating decimal, this is the standard way to indicate that the digit repeats. For instance, placing a dot over a 3 clearly communicates that the 3 continues indefinitely. If you need the dot over a different digit, simply place your cursor in the placeholder and type that digit there. The equation editor keeps the spacing and alignment correct for you. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Because this is an equation, it behaves like a single object in your document, which makes it easy to move and keeps the formatting consistent across pages. If you're mixing regular text with math notation, it's often clearer to keep repeating decimals and similar symbols inside equation boxes for the best visual quality. And that's all you need. Insert, equation, accent, choose the dot, and type your number. It's fast, accurate, and looks great in any math-focused document.